Welcome to our deep dive into local SEO in 2025. As digital landscapes evolve, understanding local SEO is crucial for businesses aiming at their target market. SEMrush is a powerful tool for local SEO, offering features that help businesses optimize their online presence effectively. On the other hand, Ahrefs provides an equally robust suite of features tailored for local SEO clients. Let's compare the keyword research capabilities of SEMrush and Ahrefs to find out which tool gives the edge in local SEO. Understanding backlink profiles is essential. Here's how SEMrush and Ahrefs stack up in this category. Both tools offer content analysis and optimization features crucial for local SEO strategies. Let's take a look. Effective reporting can help gauge success. We'll see how SEMrush and Ahrefs measure local SEO performance. Integrating either SEMrush or Ahrefs into your local SEO strategy can significantly impact how businesses perform online. Finally, let's discuss cost effectiveness. Which tool provides better ROI for local SEO clients? In conclusion, both SEMrush and Ahrefs have their strengths. The right choice ultimately depends on your specific needs as a local SEO provider.